How to delete your Quest 2 or your Oculus Quest account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete your Quest 2 account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two scenarios. One is if you opened up your Oculus Quest account with your Facebook account. In that case, you have to delete your Facebook account in itself and your Oculus account will be automatically deleted. But let's say that you have an independent account or you only want to delete your Oculus Quest account without having to delete your Facebook account. Well, you can absolutely do that. First of all, open up your browser and then come to this link, which is secure.oculus.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below, which is secure.oculus.com. So just come to it and then make sure you're signed in to your Oculus or your MetaQuest account. Now once you're signed in to your Oculus or your MetaQuest account, you're under the profile page by default. You're not simply navigate to the option called Meta account, which is at the top left hand side of the screen, as you can see. When you go to Meta account, it will take you to another URL, which is auth.meta.com, or you can also directly come to auth.meta.com and then make sure to sign into your Meta account, right? So under Meta account, what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll find this link that says delete your account. So all you have to do is just click on that specific link. When you click on the option called specific link, it says that to continue you must confirm your account. Now in my case, MetaQuest account was actually connected with your Facebook account, right? So it'll ask me to enter the password of my Facebook account, and then once I do that, I'll just hit the continue button, and then it will successfully delete my MetaQuest account after that and unlink from Facebook as well. So here you can say delete your data and so on. Just choose the option called delete your data from the bottom of the screen, and that's all it takes to delete your MetaQuest account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.